Hello again. Okay, today you're going to be checking out some really cool stuff for math. Okay, you're going to be going to a website called Toy Theater. So, in the first part, you have all of these cool things. These are called math manipulatives, and they help us do math. For example, there are some dice, there's spinners. We don't do fractions yet, so you don't have to worry about stuff like that. But then there's a marble jar, there's pattern blocks. So these are not games. These are just things that we can use for math. So you're going to pick something and just check it out. For example, if I click on the dice, you'll be able to see that we can throw some dice. So when you do homework and you need dice and you can't find yours at home, you can go on here and you can do the dice. If I go back, I can check out some other things like a number line. We've used these in class. Right, so again, this is not a game. This part is not a game. This part just helps me. So remember, we use number lines in class, so you could just play with this, delete it. Are you sure you want to clear the canvas? Yes. You can go back, and then there's things like calculators. Then you have your hundreds chart, 120 chart. You can practice counting your ones through 1 through 120. So there's nothing that you really need to do with this. I just want you to play around and see what you can figure out. Press buttons. See what happens with these things, okay? And if you think something's cool, like, ooh, look, I have some counters, I have some bears, right? I can make a graph with bears. All right, you're going to do that with this part. And then when you are done checking out stuff on this side, you're going to go to another link, the other little button on your Canvas assignment. And here there are math games, okay? These are first grade math games. When you're done with the first grade math games, if you want to check out some addition games or some subtraction games, you can click on these buttons. But I want you to check out some of these math games, okay? Let's try bowling. Let's see what bowling has. It says, select the bowling ball and drag the line where you want it to go. So I'm going to click my bowling ball, and where do you think it's gonna knock the most pins down? Okay, there we go. So I want you to try to figure out which way you can knock those pins down. Okay, how many pins did you knock down? Count them. Now remember, these are tens frames. So if we only fill in half of the tens frames, how many did we knock down? 5. Cool. All right, let's try it again. Oh no. Okay, select the bowling ball. Oh, how many pins did we knock down now? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. All right, how many pins did we knock down now? A full 10. Okay, and then you can go back and you can choose another game to play. At the end of all of this, I want you to spend like 10 minutes checking all these things out. If you want to spend more than 10 minutes on it, cool. But you only have to be on here for about 10 minutes. At the end of it, I want you to tell me what was the coolest thing that you found. What was the thing that you liked the most on the games or the manipulatives? You're going to screenshot your favorite thing, and then you're going to write me a sentence telling me what was your favorite thing. Okay, and that's it.